Sine, cosine and tangent of acute angles in right angle triangle. Last class we have determined the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Okay, all of you has identified the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, congrats. Okay, so now we are going to continue with sine, cosine and tangent. Look at the formula given here. Sine equal to opposite side over by hypotenuse. Cosine equal to adjacent side over by hypotenuse, and tangent opposite side over by adjacent side. Okay, you have to memorize this formula, or you can take any mnemonic. Let's say I can put like this one. Sine equals to opposite over by hypotenuse, so people call it as SOH. Cosine equals to adjacent over by hypotenuse, so CHA. Tangent equals to opposite over by adjacent, so TOA. So this is how we're going to memorize SOH, CHA, TOA. Okay, example. Basically, my advice is before we do the trigonometry part, okay, let's take out all the formula. We know that sin is SOH, CHA, TOA. So you can put like sin equals to opposite over by hypotenuse, cos equals to adjacent over by hypotenuse, tangent equals to opposite over by adjacent. So sin x, okay, first example. So this is our eyes at x. Straight here it's supposed to be the opposite, and this is the adjacent. Opposite to the 90 degrees supposed to be the hypotenuse. So sin x, sin side is opposite over by hypotenuse, so it is equal to opposite is QR over by hypotenuse is RP. Cos x, again this is our eyes. Cos x is adjacent, adjacent is QP, this is the adjacent, over by hypotenuse RP. Okay, we take the length. Okay, so if the triangle is named by PQR, so you're going to take the length. You don't give me A over by R, H over by O, no, that is the formula. Okay, you have to give me in terms of name, or if given in terms of length, 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm, so you can give me, for example, 3 over 4, 5 over 3 and so on. Okay, next, tangent x. Again, this is our eyes. O over by A, so opposite is QR, adjacent is QP. So now sin y. This is our eyes. It's supposed to be, this is the opposite. Again, this is the hypotenuse also for y, and this is the adjacent. So sin y opposite over by adjacent is supposed to be QP over by, opposite over by hypotenuse, so it is over by RP. Cos y, adjacent is RQ, hypotenuse is RP, and tangent Y, so opposite is QP. Looking at the diagram, adjacent is RQ. Okay, done. So as usual, I'm leaving Mindtest 5.1b as your homework, and followed by this exercise. Again, let's name this exercise as exercise 2.